welcome to my YouTube. I'm Jen, and today is Paletteful Packs Day. Paletteful Packs is a monthly art subscription box, and let's see what's inside. Looks like we are getting some watercolors this month. Their card is now online, so I can look at that for you in real quick in a minute, and read you all the prices. Actually, I can do that while we're going, because I actually happen to have it up. So this is a silver Wee Mop oval brush, which is really cool. I have the bigger mop brushes and I really like them, so I'm happy to get this one. This one retails for $5.05. This is a Van Gogh pocket box, which is super cute. Let's take a look. How cute is that? And it says that these little pans can be popped out if needed. And then it shows them being popped out with the end of the brush. So this brush is multi-purpose. This end pops it out, and then if you just open it up, there is the top. I'm not going to open this up too much because I want to be able to see the color names and make a little swatch with that. But you just pop them out, supposedly with this. It looks a little flimsy and I'm afraid to break it. But yeah, you could, oh, there we go. You can pop it right out if you need to, or you want to put it somewhere else and use it. And I think that's a standard size pan. Let's see. I have some pans right here. Let's see if it's a standard size, so I could switch it out with other colors if I wanted to. Stay open. Nope, it's shorter. It is a shorter pan, but I think it would still fit. I think it might also be a little smaller, but that's okay. I will fight with that after. So there are those. Next up we have Strathmore watercolor papers. 12 sheets. I think that's a 2 under there. And I don't know the size because there's sticker edging covered up the paper, but that's okay. Yeah, so there you have it, Strathmore watercolor paper. And then we also get Strathmore watercolor postcards, 15 of them. Standard postcards. And then if we look on the website, oh, I never finished, I'm sorry. So this little half pan 12 color pocket box retails for $39.95, including this cute little travel brush. You don't want to mess up the bristles when you're putting it back in, so that is super cute. The watercolor paper pad is 5.5 by 8.5 inches. And this is $4.55. The Strathmore postcards, this is $6.29. So we are definitely watercoloring this month. Let me know what you thought of this pack in the description below and what your favorite thing is, and I will swatch these colors for you. So there you have it. Those are the colors swatched out for you. They're very vibrant, very pretty. They kind of have a chalky finish, which I actually really like. Once they're dry, these at the top are dry. Very pigmented, so I'll be super excited to use this in some of my creations going forward. Let me know what you think in the comments below, and as always, thanks for watching, and if you're not already subscribed, please subscribe. It definitely helps. I'm up to 650 subscribers now, so every little bit helps. Thanks for watching.